So this is Junior 125 combined with the ladies category. Heroin Baras Rizal Namsa 2025. So laki ng race track nila guys. May appeal po dun, no? Ito yung race track nila dito. Ang ganda. Sobrang laki. High speed talaga. Only here in Baras Rizal. So combine ito guys ng ladies. Then Junior 125. So sa mga ladies dyan, it's Lorraine Giboni, Jasmine Hao, Shana Tamayo, Janelle Saulog. Sa boys is Nigel Torre. Hindi ko alam sino ito guys. Hindi ko alam sino itong isa. Ayan na, binitawan na! Wow! Full shot pa Shana Tamayo. Ohohoy! Unang lumabas Shana Tamayo. Ayun! Wow! Battle with the boys. Shana Tamayo. Wow! Ganda ng rhythm. Ayun, no? So, sino yun na una? Hindi mo kilala yun. Lorraine Giboni is second for the girls. Shana Tamayo on the lead for the girls. On the lead for the boys. Grabe. The international rider Shana Tamayo. Ayun, no? Nagpakilala na naman dito sa Baras Rizal. Oy! Overshot. Wow, 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 wow. It's Nigel on the lead. Clearing the finish line. Wow. Nigel versus Shana Tamayo. Wow, wow. Hindi ko kilala yung sino yung third guys. Ayun, no? Wow, Nigel versus Shana Tamayo. Wow. It's Lorraine Giboni from Mindanao on fourth. Second for the girls. Wow. Ganda ng rhythm na dito guys, oh. Titirahin ng second option Shana Tamayo. Wow! Ayun! Uy! Ayan, from Mindanao, Lorraine Giboni. And then Janelle Saulog and Jasmine Hao. Wow. It's Nigel. Wow, nagwepa si Nigel, oh. Ayan, Jasmine Hao. So this is the battle of 8 laps. Wow, clearing the finish line. Oh, short Shana. Wow, 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 wow. Hinabol ng babae ang isang lalaki. Wow, 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 wow. Ayan. 250 versus 125. Sino kaya yung third? Wow, 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 wow. Ay, nag-inside. Oh, Nigel. Wow, wow, wow. So, Shana na on the lead for the combined. Lorraine Giboni on fourth. Second for the ladies. Wow. Janelle Saulog on fifth and Jasmine on sixth. Fourth on ladies. Clearing the track Shana Tamayo. Wow. Unti-unti na nagkakaroon ng gap between Shana Tamayo and Nigel Torre. Wow, Shana Tamayo on the lead. Nigel on second. Wow, wow. Sean on the lead, Nigel on second. Sino kaya to? Hindi ko kilala to. So, Lorraine Giboni on fourth, second for the girls, for the ladies. And Janelle Saulog. O siya, natamayo. Grabe ang lakas. Overlap for Jasmine now. Nigel on second. Siya na tumayo from Kujisan. Wow. Uy. Overshot. Siya na tumayo. Nigel on second, siya na tumayo on the lead. So Lorraine Giboni on fourth, Pride of Mindanao. Parang last lap na tayo guys. Siya na tumayo ang rhythm section. Second, it's Nigel. Waiting for checkered flag for Siya na tumayo. For MX Junior 125 combined with the ladies. So champion for round 1, Siya na tumayo. Second, it's Lorraine Giboni. And champion for MX Junior 125 round 1, it's Nigel Torre. Third, it's General So look for it. It's just me now. Checkered, checkered. Checkered, checkered.